earlier, I have started with the tutorials. To do the SBA, the first thing we have to do is to create the registry sheet. So let's open our Excel. First, we open our Excel. We go to blank workbook. You click on it, so the Excel interface will appear. We have the menu. At least most of you are familiar with the features of an Excel. The features of an Excel. You have the formula bar here. So everything above the formula bar, we call it the ribbon. The ribbon. Now, in creating the SBA, the first sheet that we have to create is called the registry. So as you open, a default sheet is created and it's called sheet 1. So let's rename it by right clicking on the sheet. We go to rename. Let's name it registry, all caps, registry. You just press enter. We are done. So we have to create what? Columns. Our first column at A1. So A1 is serial number. So we go by this way. We go to B1. That's where you have what? The name over there. Now, for me, I prefer working with what you call pivot table. So let's convert this into a pivot table. So you select both cells. You click on Ctrl T, create a table. So where is the data from your table? It's here. So you check my table has headers. You click on OK. Now we've created a pivot table. One advantage of a pivot table is that whenever you create a formula here, it automatically fills the whole column without you going to autofill. So that's why I like working with that. So you can change how the colors display. So we just go to this side, you choose the color you like. When you click down here, you have more I think this one is okay. So we have our serial number, name, then gender. We go to attendance. You see, pivot table, that's how it works. It automatically adds the columns and the rows. Attendance. Then we have what we call conduct. Conduct. Now we have our serial number here, name, our gender, our attendance. We have our conduct. So let's retort. This side will be our Okay, so our conduct, our attitude will be here. You go to interest, class teachers, remarks. Head teachers, remarks. You go to promotion, so please check the headings of the columns well. This is how it's supposed to be, or this is how you have to arrange them. Promotion, then we have total score, then we have what? Position. So let me check if everything is intact. Serial number, name, gender, attendance, conduct, attitude, interest, class teachers, remarks, teachers, promotion, total score, class position. So class position, let me name it as such. Class position. Okay. Okay, now let's try to increase the size. You put the cursor in between B and C. You want to stretch B where the name is, so you put the cursor here. It changes to the plus sign, the cross sign, or the plus sign. You just increase it a bit. Okay. Our attitude to our attendance to, let's increase it. Conduct, attitude, interest, the class teacher's remarks, the head teacher's remarks. We have the promotion, we have the total score, we have the class position. You can increase the heading size. I think this one is okay. Okay, let's remove the filters. So I've removed the filters. You just go to the data, you click on this. When you click on filter, it will appear. That arrow in the box will appear. It's a filter. It's used to sort them alphabetically, so I don't need them, so I just remove them. Okay, let's try to center everything. So you just select the headings, you click on center to center everything. You can click on test route too. When you click on test route, look at how it has appeared. I think this one too is okay. Now we are done with our registry sheet. It left with the formulas. Now this